In the event that you're searching for Jasmy coin cost expectations, figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Jasmy coin will go from now on. We will break down the very past costs of Jasmy coin and we'll sort of figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities in a significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation in each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unimaginable amazingly. However, we will attempt our scarcely awesome. How about we start? Which for the most part is very critical. Jasmy coin past value examination as per the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Jasmy coin basically is $0. Jasmy by and large is as of now in a real sense position number 134 in the whole crypto environment in a significant way. The dissemination supply of Jasmy coin is 47,569,999,999 with a market cap of $234,013,086. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Jasmy coin's cost in every way that really matters has shown a kind of good increment of 2.64% in the for the most part most recent 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin generally is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins. The Jasmy certainly is down to nearly 10.08% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for past not very many days. The coin could major areas of strength for have, however, we don't actually believe that it would a productive resource and momentary in an unpretentious manner. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy generally diminished by 37.341%, wiping out an incredible normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a decent really purchase a potential open door for fast venture. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is around 23.20% and the cost certainly circled from a base kind of typical cost of $0 really most extreme normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months Jasmy coin basically has shown a developing pattern. Consequently, we imagine that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, which sort of is genuinely huge. The coin sort of is up by 17.67% with the greatest in every way that really matters. Normal cost of the coin was around $0. The base typical cost of basically was around $0 beyond 4 months. We in every way that really matters foresee future Jasmy coin cost expectations. Jasmy gauge by applying profound man-made reasoning helps specialized examination on the past value information of Jasmy coin. Or so they certainly thought. We give our all to really gather most extreme verifiable information for the Jasmy coin which incorporate genuinely various boundaries like in every practical sense. Past value, Jasmy coin market cap, Jasmy coin volume and certainly hardly any basically more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin generally is anticipated to reach at an extremely least worth of $0 2023. The Jasmy coin cost could sort of arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2023. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024. The cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to generally reach at least worth of $0 2024. The Jasmy coin cost could arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme worth of 1 cent with the typical exchanging cost of 1 cent all through 2024. Jasmy value gauge for 2025 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Jasmy. In 2025 the cost of Jasmy coin in a real sense is anticipated to reach at a for the most part least degree of 1 cent. The Jasmy cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 1 cent with the typical exchanging cost of 1 cent, which is genuinely critical, in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value forecast 2026. The cost of 1 Jasmy coin explicitly is supposed to basically reach at least degree of 2 cents in 2026. The Jasmy cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 2 cents with the exceptionally normal cost of 2 cents all through 2026. Jasmy coin value expectation 2027 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Jasmy. In 2027 the cost of Jasmy coin is determined to be at around a base worth of 2 cents. The Jasmy coin value worth can arrive at a limit of 3 cents with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of 3 cents in USD. Jasmy coin value expectation 2028 Jasmy coin cost is conjectured to, in every way that really matters, arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 4 cents in 2028. According to our discoveries, the JASMY cost could arrive at a most extreme kind of conceivable degree of 5 cents with the typical estimate cost of 4 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2029 according to the conjecture and specialized examination. In 2029, the cost of Jasmy coin for the most part is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of 6 cents. The JASMY cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of 7 cents with the very normal worth of 6 cents, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value gauge 2030 the cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 9 cents in 2030. The Jasmy coin cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 11 cents with the typical cost of 10 cents all through 2030 as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value expectation 2031 Jasmy coin cost is gauged to essentially arrive at a most minimal sort of conceivable degree of 14 cents in 2031. According to our discoveries, the JASMY cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 17 cents with the sort of typical conjecture cost of 15 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2032 according to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2032, the cost of Jasmy coin basically will be essentially anticipated to reach at any rate level of 21 cents. The JASMY cost can especially arrive at an especially most extreme degree of 25 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 21 cents. What will be the JASMY most elevated gauge cost for 2023, which is very critical? The JASMY cost explicitly is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $0 the finish of 2023. How sort of much will Jasmy coin truly be worth in 5 years, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking? In 5 years, Jasmy coin will especially have a base cost of 3 cents and a most extreme cost of 2 cents per JASMY. Since Jasmy coin is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth vacillates definitely, which is very critical. What is the eventual fate of Jasmy coin? The eventual fate of Jasmy coin sort of is exceptionally subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into JASMY, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right procedure. This sort of speculation basically isn't appropriate for those with a lopsided gamble profile. Be that as it may, it sort of is as yet a magnificent speculation for the individuals who have a high capacity to bear risk and a kind of strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, JASMY likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing environment. What truly is the Jasmy coin cost today? Today, Jasmy coin is exchanging at $0, the market cap of $234,013,086 in an unpretentious manner. Is Jasmy coin a wise venture, in spite of prevalent thinking? Jasmy coin's worth certainly is supposed to keep on growing, as lack will in general basically energize cost ascend amazingly. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any speculation.